Over 80% of data breaches involve a weak or stolen password, not a sophisticated hack, not a zero-day exploit, a password. And the most terrifying part, most of the people whose accounts get broken into today had no idea they were making a mistake. I am going to walk you through the 5 password mistakes that are getting people hacked right now, and more importantly, exactly how to fix each one before it happens to you. I work in cybersecurity, and I have spent years watching the same patterns repeat. The mistakes are almost always the same. The fixes are almost always the same. And the people who get hit almost always thought they were being careful. Here is mistake number 1. Using the same password on multiple accounts. This is the mistake that takes down more accounts than any other single factor. Every year, thousands of websites get breached. Login credentials get sold on the dark web for pennies. Attackers then run that list against every major platform. Your email, your bank, your PayPal, your Amazon. This attack is called credential stuffing, and it works at massive scale precisely because most people reuse passwords. The fix: use a password manager. Tools like Bitwarden, 1Password, or Dashlane generate and store a unique, strong password for every account. You only need to remember one master password. If you do nothing else after watching this video, set up a password manager today. Mistake number 2, using passwords that are easy to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Password, your pet's name, your birthday. Attackers use lists of the most common passwords in the world, and they also scrape your social media to try personal details. If your password is in the dictionary, or if it is personally connected to you, it is not a password. It is a welcome mat. Strong passwords are at least 16 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Your password manager generates these automatically. You never need to think of one again. Mistake number 3, skipping two-factor authentication. Even a strong, unique password can be stolen through phishing, through a data breach, through malware on your device. Two-factor authentication means that even if an attacker has your password, they still cannot get in without a second verification step, usually a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Enable two-factor authentication on every account that supports it, starting with your email, your bank, and any account tied to your finances. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy rather than SMS codes when possible. SMS can be intercepted through SIM swapping attacks. This one step blocks the vast majority of account takeover attempts cold. Mistake number 4, falling for phishing emails designed to steal your password. Phishing is when an attacker sends you an email that looks like it is from your bank, from Netflix, from your employer, and asks you to click a link and log in. The login page looks real, but it is a fake designed to capture your credentials the moment you type them. The defense: never click a login link in an email. Close it, open a new tab, and go directly to the site by typing the address yourself. And with two-factor authentication enabled, even if you fall for a phishing page, the attacker still cannot get in. Mistake number 5, never updating passwords after a breach. Data breaches happen constantly. Major companies with sophisticated security teams get hit. Your credentials may have already been exposed in a breach you do not know about yet. Holding on to a compromised password is like leaving your front door unlocked after someone has already made a copy of your key. Go to Have I Been Pwned, that is haveibeenpwned.com. Type in your email address and see immediately whether your credentials have appeared in any known breach. It is free. It takes 30 seconds. If any of your accounts show up, change those passwords immediately, starting with your email. Your email is the master key to everything else. Here is the summary. Use a password manager. Make every password long and random. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Never click login links in emails. And check Have I Been Pwned today. These 5 steps take less than an hour and will protect you from the overwhelming majority of attacks targeting people right now. If this was useful, share it with someone who needs it. A parent, a friend, a colleague who you know is still using the same password they have had for 10 years. I will see you in the next